Crime branch of Bangalore police has searched Vivek Oberoi's residence in Mumbai. They are on the lookout for the absconding accused in the Sandalwood scam case, Aditya Alva, who is the brother-in-law of Vivek Oberoi. So that's the information coming in here on Mirror Now. Crime branch of Bangalore police is currently searching the residence of actor Vivek Oberoi in Mumbai. Deepak is now joining me live from the location. So, Deepak, can you tell us what exactly is going on with the crime branch of Bangalore now searching the premises of actor Vivek Oberoi? How is he connected to the Sandalwood scam case?
Well, when the initial FIR was registered with regard to the Sandalwood drug case in Cottonpet, Aditya Alva was mentioned as one of the accused in this particular matter. Now, they've tried to, of course, reach out to him, question him, but of course, he's been absconding, is what the cops have maintained for quite some time now. Now, as far as his involvement is concerned, the cops believe there were certain parties that were held at locations that he owns. This was primarily in in Bengaluru. It was called the House of Life, one particular venue which was searched by the crime branch officials, and the crime branch officials even spoke to the manager of that particular venue where parties were hosted, where some of the celebrities visited there, and they believe that there could have been drugs that were consumed there as well. Now, apart from that, we should understand that while they maintained he's absconding, Aditya Alva is the brother-in-law of Vivek Oberoi, and because they have not been able to find out where he is, and they've got some tip-off that he could be at his brother-in-law Vivek Oberoi's house. That's where they've gone to court, got a search warrant, and now they're searching Vivek Oberoi's residence in Mumbai for the absconding accused Aditya Alva in this matter.
All right, so we leave it at that. Thanks for joining us with the information, Deepak.